So you missed out on Donald Trump meme coin, then you missed out on Melina meme coin. Well, you sure as heck don't want to miss out on Barron meme coin, Donald Trump Jr. meme coin, Ivanka meme coin, and now we're hearing rumors of Elon Musk meme coin. I actually was able to snipe this before the masses because I use a Telegram bot, and I actually did this from my phone. So I wasn't even in front of my computer, and I was able to get in before 90% of the people did who were trying to rush to their Phantom wallet and then trade on Radium. They're doing it all wrong. I was sharing this alpha with my people here on YouTube, my viewers, over the course of the last 2-3 weeks. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you could get in on Barron meme coin before 95% of the people do using a Telegram bot. So without further ado, let's go bank that coin.
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dhun Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers today. This is also called a Smart Money channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, but more importantly, smash the bell notification buttons, because videos like this are truly time sensitive. If you've been following us for the past couple of weeks, you've already been ahead of the crowd. You know how this tool works. But I'm also going to explain to you guys how you can get into the next Trump pump, which is going to be Barron meme coin before everybody else does, and you don't even have to be at home in front of your computer. So sometimes you might be at work, or maybe you're driving, and your buddy's like, hey bro, you know, Trump coin just went live, Melina just went live. Well, the next one is Barron, and you don't want to be rushing home. All you got to do is have your phone on you, have the application downloaded that's connected to your Telegram account, and you're going to be able to snipe this much faster than people who are using Radium and Phantom, which had a lot of problems yesterday. And this is why I tell you guys, you don't want to be trading from your Phantom wallet when it comes to these spontaneous meme coins. Now, look, the first thing you need to do is use the link in the form of a pinned message in the comment section and in the description box to then set up your account. I've made countless videos on this. I'm not going to start from the beginning, but I would share the link for that card right here. Check out that video. But I'll also play a clip right now showing you how to fund your Telegram bot. And you're going to need a couple of things. Let's go to that clip right here, and then we'll continue this video after that clip. So you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a Phantom wallet. And in this case, you're going to need Solana, because I'm going to show you guys the hustle on Solana and how to get these opportunities. And then also you're going to need a Telegram account, which I'm sure you already have. Okay, so you have those three things. You're ready to go. Let's carry on to the website. So once again, when you click the link in the form of the pinned message in the comment section, it's then going to take you to this page. You need to have your Phantom wallet ready and funded with Solana, like I do right here. Okay, and then we're going to connect here. We're going to connect, sign in with wallet, choose Phantom wallet, sign that off just like this. Okay, now right here I have one Solana in there. But we want to connect to the Telegram bot. So what we want to do from here now is click this button, and then we click switch to TG login. That now is going to then open up our Telegram app. We're then going to click login to website right here. And then right there and then, you will see at the top here, a new address has been created. This is our Telegram bot address. This is very important because this, by using the Telegram bot, it's super fast. It's much faster than if you weren't using it. So it's very important to understand that. Now, what you want to do is you want to take some Solana from here, or the entire thing, whatever you want, and send it to this address. So let's copy that. Then I'm going to send my Solana to this particular address. All right, so we're ready to rock and roll. My Solana has arrived. That was pretty fast. And now we could go ahead trading all here. Now, it's important to note, over here is the section on the network that you need to choose. So there's Ethereum, there's Base, which we've been doing really well on Base. But today we're going to stay on Solana. Okay, now that you know how to fund your Telegram bot with Solana, I'm going to show you how to use this tool from your desktop. And then we're going to show you how to use this tool from your mobile device. So if you get the call that, you know, the coin just dropped, you don't have to rush home. You can actually do that right from the convenience of the palm of your hand, okay? So this is how it looks like, guys. You got your Solana in here. Let's say that how your buddy tells you that how Barron coin came out, which these are scams. Do not get into these ones. You have the contract address. This is the area where you're going to put that contract address in if you're in front of the computer, and then the coin's going to come up saying Barron, right? This is after you've done your due diligence and you know this is the legit coin from his Twitter account. Then you're going to click it like this. Over here is where you're going to see the graphs on how you trade this thing. Here's your buys, here's your sells. What's very cool about this particular tool, guys, you can actually set limit buy orders and limit sell orders, right? So for example, let's just like, you know, say we want to buy at this price. It's very simple. So you're on buy, obviously, and then you put in the amount that you wanted. You could put whatever, 0.5, you could put, whatever you want. You could put 1, you could put 10, whatever you want, you could put. Over here, they got some presets, and for the example's sake, I'll just use the preset. So let's just say I want a 0.1. It's also important to make sure that how this is set up correctly, right? So when it's a lot of action, meaning a new hot token that just went live like the Barron would be, you want your slippage. I mean, sometimes your trade might execute if you're in the auto, but you might want to put this to like a little bit higher, maybe even 40 in some instances, okay? And in some instances, you might want to put the priority fee to be 0.1 to 0.2. But in this example, that's not necessary since this token has already, it's already been trading. So what we would do is we keep that there. And, also when it's a hot token that just goes live, like when Barron is going to go live, you don't want the anti-MEV protection on. In some cases you do, but what I noticed was when I got into Melina early, I had this on, it was not executing my trade. So I took that off. And I actually put this to 40. Some instances it did work at the auto, but just to be super safe, you might want to go to 40, okay? So let's go here. This is how you execute a trade. Now, if I want to get into Trump, let's go 0.1, press buy. And look at this, 19 seconds, 18 seconds, that should execute, and it just did, okay? So I just bought Trump, right? And you can see the buy right here on the graph, okay, for 0.1. Now, if I wanted to sell, it's very simple. I come to the sell button, I can click 100%, and I could sell right away, right? And right here, it tells me the profits that I'm in right now or the losses. So right now, I'm up, whatever, 0.45%, give or take. It's very, it's up and down right now, okay, guys? That's how that works. So let's just execute a sell like that. It takes a matter of seconds. If you try this on Radium, there we go, sold. If you try this on Radium, guys, it's going to be a lot of different stuff happening, right? Everybody's rushing to Radium. Then you got to sign, you got to approve, you got to try to execute. You're already too late. By the time you try to get into Barron at, potentially 250 million, the thing's already up like 2 billion, okay? And then your transaction doesn't go through. This tool is extremely reliable. Now, another way you could do this is, if you want to get in at a particular price, well, you could do something called a limit buy order that Radium can do. So, for example, you come to the buy now section, you click buy the dip. Now, right now, we got Trump trading at $48 or 48 billion. You could scale this to whatever you think, it's going to dip to. So let's just say 45 bucks, right? Give or take, right? This is just for the example's sake. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but then I would click 0.1 or how much ever I want to. I could put my custom amount 10, I could put 100, whatever. But in this case, we'll just do 0.1. And I am setting, see, buy the dip at $45.30, give or take, and I'll press create the order. And sure enough, that will execute an order success. And how do I check that? I come to this section over here, my limits. I'll just give that a refresh. Right there. There we are. I put 0.1 for Trump to hit $45.30. So if I think this is going to come down here, I could go about my day and this order would fill. Okay, guys? So that's one way you do it. And also keep in mind, you might want to put your slippage maybe in the custom, maybe not. In this case, you wouldn't need it. But if Barron goes live and everybody's trying to get in, your slippage should set to, I would say, at least 60. Okay? And take this anti-MEV off. For me, it was not working when I was trying to get into Melina yesterday. Conversely, you could also do something called a limit sell order, which means if you think Trump or Barron or Melina or whatever meme coin is going to hit a certain price and you already have that token, you could set that limit order to that price. And if it hits that target, then it will trigger and you execute that trade. So this is how it will look like. Obviously, I need to actually own some of the token first. So let me repurchase something very quickly for the sake of this example, and that should have triggered right there and then, okay? Yes, it did. So now what I want to do is, see, so I already have some of the Trump coin already, so I would then come over here and click the auto sell, and now the price is roughly about $48, but if I think it's going to hit 50 or whatever, even more, 55, whatever I think, I could go like this, right? As you can see, I scaled it up here. And this is where my limit sell would be. And then what I want to do is I want to click the amount that I actually want to sell. So in this case, I'll just put 100%, just like that. And I want to create this order by clicking this button. And you can see order created success. Okay. And what I want to do is just give it a little refresh. And you can see my limit orders should show up right here. And I do have one active. And there it is right there, guys. So I have a limit sell at $53. So if Trump now was to go from 46 to 48 right now to 53, 51 it just went, and I'm not in front of the computer, that will execute my trade. This is how you need to play the game. This is not just like, let me get into the coin and let me walk away. It could either dump or it could pump, and if you don't have these things available at your disposal, you're going to miss out, okay, guys? So let me just take that off, and what I would do is I'll just sell this the regular way. 100% sell. And it's actually a little bit of a profit there, 0.73. But again, so how do you actually now, withdraw? You click this button, okay? And then you could go to transfer funds, right? Then you click the withdraw button, okay? That's going to take you to your Telegram bot, which opens up like this. And all you need to do is, remember, export your private keys, save that on a pen and paper, right? And then you click the withdraw button, you provide it with a wallet address, a Solana wallet address that you want the funds to go to, follow the basic instructions, and then the assets, your Solana, will be sent to that particular wallet address. Very super simple. Okay, so I showed you guys how to do this from your desktop. And there's many other features here, like you could go to your wallet and your holdings to see how much of the Melina coin you have. But, I've already went over that. Check out my past videos. I'll leave the link to that over here as well, okay? Let me show you guys how this works on your mobile device. So if you're not home, you're at work, you're at the grocery store, you're driving, your buddy calls you, you park the car to the side of the road, whip out your phone, and execute a trade in lightning speed through this Telegram bot by using the GMGN application. Okay, guys? Let me show you how that works. It's pretty badass. And that's how I was able to get into Melina. So at this point, you should already have your Telegram bot funded with Solana by using the link in the form of a pinned message in the comment section or in the description box. It's important to use that link so this way you don't get hacked or phished by going to the wrong website. Now what you want to do is download the application, okay? Which is either through Google Play or through the App Store. If you got an Apple device, you use App Store. If you got an Android device, you use Google Play. Then you want to search for something called GMGN, and it's going to look like this with this little alligator thing, okay? I've already have it downloaded. Once you download that, it will sync into your Telegram account where you already have your Solana funded. And for me, it's going to look like this on your desktop, okay? Next to my virtual protocol app, I'm going to click that. And right here and then, it looks just like the interface on your desktop. It's freaking damn badass, bro. This is literally how I got into Melina. Now, let's just say now, your buddy's like, yo, bro, this thing's live. Barron goes live. You then need to get the contract address. Obviously, it's not live, so we can't really show you that. But let's say you had the right contract address based off of your due diligence. You want to then come on over to this section and then paste it in here. And sure enough, it'll populate just like I showed you with Trump. And this is it right here. This is where you could actually trade from your phone. As you can see, down here we got the buy, down here we got the sell. So let's just say we wanted to buy something. Well, that's very easy. You click the buy button, and just like I demonstrated for you guys on the desktop, you could put 0.01, 0.1, or you could put the amount that you want to actually purchase. So in this case, let's just say we want to do 10. There you go. I could buy 10 SOL worth right there by clicking that buy button, and it would execute. And the same is true if I wanted to sell now. I'm in some profits. Well, you click the sell button right here, okay? And it will tell me, okay, cool, let me sell how much? 50%, 75, 100, or the entire stack, or customize the units by punching it in. Very cool. Now, if you notice, we also have the auto sells like I demonstrated for you guys. You do the same thing. You put in how much you want. If you think it's going to dip too low and you want a stop loss, you could also set that price to lower if you think it's going to crash, okay? Very, very important and, very needed if you are a serious trader. And here we go. We could go back to the buys once again by clicking that. And, we could also buy at a lower price by buying the dip over here or instant buys, ladies and gentlemen. That's pretty much it. That's exactly how you trade these meme coins, man. Don't go to Radium. You're going to get wrecked. You're not going to get in. You're going to miss on the potential life-changing opportunities like many people did last night. And I don't want you to be, a fall victim to that. I hope this makes sense. I could go into a lot more different details on how this app works, like the entire interface, but this video is going to be too damn long. That's all the information you need right now, okay? To buy, sell, limit buys, limit sells, how to withdraw, export your private keys, and all of that fun stuff. I hope this video makes sense. I hope you guys get into Barron or whatever next big meme coin at the grassroots level, and you snipe it before the pump happens by using this tool. In my next couple of videos, I'll definitely show you guys this entire bot and application and tool and how it works in its entirety. But right now, that's all you need to know. So with that being said, until the next video, your ass is on your own, bro. Later.
Francis Dhun, Uncensored.